Their Majesties call before them Dafydd y Saer and Count Hagan. By the hand of Queen Emily, royal patroness of the arts, with her king dog, is Hagan raised to the Order of the Evergreen. Let it be known throughout the vastness of the realm that we, Anne Marie, royal patroness of the arts, and Dog, our king, are well aware of the skills and teaching accomplished by Dafydd y Saer in the fields of woodwork, leatherwork, and metalwork. Therefore, we wish for all to know him in the high regard with which we hold him, and so we are minded to pray him a companion of the Order of the Evergreen.
Together, because you're kind of comrades in arms of what you've been doing to help out the group and your skills that you've been developing over the years.
You're a transplant from North, not too far, a child of the dragon. Oh my goodness. Long ago, a lot of hair ago. We were just discussing some others about the fact that North Shield, I went in previous reigns, North Shield and Ultimate were both still part of the military. Then good to see you again. So, I don't know. Let's see. What did you say? Can you see us?
Oh.
Thank you, Jeff.
For the newest recipients of the Evergreen, David and Hagan, huzzah!
Huzzah!